All right, today I'm gonna go over how to change an air filter inside a Chevy Silverado pickup truck. First, we go into our glove compartment. Then we're gonna grab the side of the glove compartment and press these tabs on each side out to release the whole glove compartment. And they can be a little tricky. Now so we get this side, then press this side. It's going to lower, but it won't drop because we have a little damper over here. Then you have to remove this damper, which unclips from there. Then as you lower this, it will come right off. Then this is the compartment where the air filter lives. First, there's a clip here you squeeze together and pull out, but not hard. Then you push this whole cover sideways. So boom, there it goes. And then this comes off. Also pay attention, airflow is down. Notice we got those. You can grab in from the side, pull that guy out. It's not a bad idea just to pull these out and shake them out. Then when you're putting the other one in, make sure the airflow is down. Boom, that goes there. We have our cover, which goes on. And this is kind of funky. The way this cover works is because you have to slide it onto these little hooks right here, and then the end clips in. Then when we're putting let me tilt you down a little bit. When you're putting this guy back on, it won't go on till you get it. You line up all of these, and then as you tilt up, it will lock into place. Then reattach your damper here. Then we're gonna push on both sides where these clips are, and it pops right in. And that's how you change a cabin air filter on a Chevy Silverado. This is a 2024 4th generation work truck style. If this was helpful, leave a comment, thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.